Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got the new collection from Bases Loaded Lacquer. It arrived in the mailbox today. So excited. So I have all 7 of the colored polishes from the Cheesecake collection. And then the bonus topper. And then, you guys, anytime I'm on that website and I'm looking, I gotta see if there's anything I don't have or need to have. And of course there was. So I also bought You Shot My Vase, and I don't know if I'm saying that right, but loving it. So I've got my little swatch wheel out here, and I'm going to just swatch these really quick. I say really quick, but there's like too many of them for me to really be quick about it. So I am going to swatch these out and show you what they look like, and I will list a link for Bases Loaded Lacquer down in the description in case you're interested. I do have a discount code. It'll be down there also, so there you have it. And let's get to swatching. Okay, so it might help if I ran through the colors first, right? Having a blonde moment, y'all. To Feed the Cat Rose is the beautiful pink. Next up, we have the orange, or peach, orange, Isn't Danny Thomas one. And these are all Golden Girls references, is in the third Golden Girls collection. The yellow is The Men's of Blanche's Boudoir. The green is Grab That Dough. This, I guess we're going to call it teal or aqua. I Look Like the Mother of a Solid Gold Dancer. And then we have a blue, and it's Blow It Out Your Tubin Burls. I don't know. See, I'm going to have to watch it to hear them say it, I guess. Okay, and then the purple is Uncle Fingerbender and his 30-pound rutabaga. And then the bonus topper here that I kind of gave you a sneak peek earlier is called Windshield Wipers. Stunning. Alright, so I'm going to swatch these out for you. Alright, so we're getting started, and the first one is To Feed the Cat Rose. And it's just beautiful. They're all beautiful. They're all stunning. I can't wait to water marble and gradient with these. The next one up is Isn't Danny Thomas one. Now, I will have a link for Bases Loaded Lacquer down below. And this is The Men of Blanche's Boudoir. The green is Grab That Dough. Look how these level out. See? Watch. Oh, look, it's already leveled out smooth. This one is I Look Like the Mother of a Solid Gold Dancer. It's kind of a greeny blue teal. And this one's the blue. Blow It Out Your Tubin Burbles. I don't know. And then the purple is Uncle Fingerbender and his 30-pound rutabaga. And then this is the topper, Windshield Wipers, all on its own. I'm going to show you everything. Glossy, matte, toppered, everything. I'm going to show you all these swatch photos I took. And this last one is You Shot My Vase. And I don't know that it's really straight up part of the collection, but it very well could be. But it definitely goes well with all of these polishes. It's just a perfect companion. There it is, glossy, mattified, and with the topper glossy and mattified. And that was To Feed the Cat Rose. And here we go on with the next one. Second coat. And this is Isn't Danny Thomas one. There it is, glossy, mattified, with the topper glossy and the topper mattified. Stunning, no way you look at it. I mean, it doesn't matter how you look at it. It's gorgeous. And The Men of Blanche's Boudoir. Gorgeous. Such a pretty yellow. Glossy, matte, toppered, glossy. Oh. And then matte. Oh. And then the next one is Grab That Dough. Love the name of that one. That one's so cute. And this one's stunning as well. We've got it glossy, mattified, with the windshield wipers, glossy, and then mattified. Next up is I Look Like the Mother of a Solid Gold Dancer. I'm so excited to wear these. I can't even begin to tell you. There it is, glossy, mattified, with windshield wipers, glossy, and with matte top coat. Next up, we've got Blow It Out Your Tubin Blurbles. I don't know how to say that. I'm Southern, it's not my thing. So, glossy, matte, and now with glossy topper and with the topper matte. Next up, we've got Uncle Fingerbender and his 30-pound rutabaga. I don't know that I've ever eaten rutabaga. There it is, glossy, matte, with the topper, glossy, and then matte with the topper. And the last one here is, oh, well, that's not the last one. This is the windshield wipers with the second coat. So you could wear this one on its own. Oh, stunning, glossy, and matte. And then the last one is You Shot My Vase. And it's really hard to see on camera. It just kind of blends in, but oh, it's stunning. So I do hope you enjoyed my swatches. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this collection. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.